everybody, it's Michelle Litwiller, and today I am so excited to share with you the new in colors from our annual catalog. So every year, Stampin' Up! Launches a new set of 5 in colors, and starting on May 1st, these new 5 in colors you can purchase in a variety of new products, such as cardstock, designer series paper, ink pads, markers, the Stampin' Write markers, the Stampin' Blends, and even some ribbons and embellishments. So without further ado, let me turn the camera down and let me introduce you the new in colors from the Stampin' Up! Catalog. Okay, so first of all, we have Shamrock Shy. So this is such a pretty green color. The next color we have is called Petunia Pop. Very pretty purple color. Our next color is called Summer Splash. I love that one. I love them all, to be honest. Our fourth ink pad color is Pretty in Pink. You may remember this color from a long time ago, and it is back. I'm so excited about that. And last but not least, we have the color Peach Pie. So these are our 5 new in colors for May 2024, and they will be around for 2 whole years. So that's how the in colors set rotates out every year, but they're always around for 2 years. So these are the new colors. Again, here's the ink pads. Next up, I want to show you there's these beautiful set of ribbons, and the ribbon is just like really nice and light. It's easy to tie a bow for your projects. Just really beautiful ribbon. This is called bordered ribbon. Is what it's called, and it's 3/8 inch wide. We have not one but 2 different embellishments this time. We have the in color shimmer gems, and then we also have the in color resin dots. So really pretty embellishments. We also have the cardstock. Look at the cardstock. You can get it in the 8.5 by 11 and a variety pack in 12 by 12. So again, Shamrock Shy, Petunia Pop, Summer Splash, Pretty in Pink, and Peach Pie. And there is even also some 6 by 6 designer series paper, and they have some new prints. So they look like the 2 different choices look like this, and then the back is stripes. And then this one is this pretty pattern, and then the back is like little dots. So you get a variety of each of the new in colors in that designer series paper. And then don't forget we have the blends and the Stampin' Write markers as well. Here's some really fun cards I wanted to show you featuring the new in colors and also the Country Bird House. The Country Bird House bundle, and here they are in Peach Pie, Pretty in Pink, Summer Splash, Petunia Pop, and Shy Shamrock. So I would love to know in the comments below what your favorite new in color is. Maybe you have a couple. Let me below, and I will see you next time.